Whenever you don't drain your tank too often, this is after I think 2 years. All that water, all here, is from it. It's not a cheap machine. Changed the oil already. Changed that oil filter up here, and then found out this one has a leak on it. This one right here. So you're gonna take care of that. And this is broken, so replace this. Now they had a straight like this. Not a good idea. Never put the weight pulling on it. And we got a leak right there. You can see the blowback right up there. Redone Teflon. It's been 10 minutes and still pouring. I'm getting everything with a vacuum, but 10 minutes later, and you still got that. Okay, while that thing drains, change the filter. It's right here. It's just a screw, wing nut. And then to change the oil, that's the drain plug. That's your fill, and that's your sight glass right here. Go ahead and do that. The first thing I do, I clean up the inside of the housing, and then I go ahead and put on a new one. Then I'll get the bucket and pour the oil into it. It takes about 1.5 quarts, and I guess it depends how it's sitting too. So I'll go ahead, but that thing is still getting up water. Let's see if it's still got it. Yep, still pouring. That's like 5 minutes later. Okay, I just stopped the valve because the 5-gallon vacuum is full. So I got to go drain this and continue. So it had more than 5 gallons. Because it's still got on the floor over here, on the back side, you can't really see that one, and right there. So let me go dump this and go back. Okay, that's draining the water one time out of this. I had to go do some other stuff. So I'm going to come back and continue draining the water on the number 1. The number 2, I might do it later on or tomorrow, because one of them has to be running and they can supply the system. Okay, finally stop. So I'm gonna see how much is in it here now. Close to 5 gallons again. It's about 9.5 gallons plus the 5 gallons over there. So that's about 9.5 together. So you got about 4.5 gallons there, and 5 gallons over there, and that might even be more than 5 gallons. So it's about 10 gallons, you can call it, just in one compressor. This compressor, number 2, I'm not expecting it to have as much because that one had a leak, so it was running more. I'll have to fix that leak maybe tomorrow. I got it shut off right now. I put my lock on it so nobody else comes and put it on. And I don't have to work any electrical on it. I just don't want nobody to turn it on while it's not going to do anything. I have it shut off from the main line. Alright, I took the tube out, the one that comes up here. Started turning this. but it is so hard. I'm gonna have to go and get something else longer reach than this. Okay, got it all back. Teflon tape on that one. The main one that was leaking, Teflon tape. Okay, Teflon tape. Oh, I had to take this one out, so there's Teflon tape there too. See if it holds up.